So I end up taking these two bolts out to pull it apart. Look how much rust is on there. Just like, I think I've washed this engine one time, and just the corrosion that's built up instantly. So I think I'm gonna have to just give that pull it apart a bit more, give it a clean and see how we go. Yeah, so I've just cleaned up that part there and that part there. She's all pretty clean now. Now I've cleaned up this one here, and I started noticing, so these are on like a spring like that, and this is the only one that's actually coming out, is this one. These other three aren't even springing out. So if that had to engage onto whatever, onto that part there, it practically isn't. So it's just like not even half-assing its job. It's not barely even doing it at all. So I think that's the problem. So I've got to get rid of all the corrosion, all that stuff that's holding them up, and get them freed up. Hopefully. Well, I've got them all back in together. Turns out when you free these up, absolutely pain of a thing to like hold them in place, and then you got to try and slide it over that, and like all four of them are trying to shoot out while the mounts are just terrible, and that's trying to fall apart at the same time. So hopefully we've got something going here, so it's all hold together, so I can just gently push it over that. So after many attempts with the two sockets, just need a larger socket to go in the middle like that. All right, still have to get it on though, and it's still going to be painful. Let's see how we go. All right, I got it back on. Hopefully it's right, because that was excruciating painful to do. Guys that probably do it every day probably be like, that was easy. Let me know how you guys do it, because that had a bit on. I've also just realised I've got it the wrong way around. Them screws there are meant to face the back. God fucking damn it! Alright, got it on there. Now, I don't know how blokes do this for a living. Bloody hell, what a job. Hopefully it's right, because it still probably could be wrong. Fuck. Alright, so that's all back on the back plate. Yeah, let's connect the rest up. Just chuck the rest back into there. Yeah. Alright, she's all hooked back up. Just bridge her over. That one there. And put that one on the switch. She's all goody. Turns out, can't wash these starter motors that you buy from Auto Pro that are like aftermarket ones, because I think I probably started the car and like used it probably, I don't know, 20 30 times maybe tops, and I was like, washed it, degreased the engine, washed it, and yeah, pretty well them starter motors, they just puddle up with water apparently, so, and then massive corrosion, and they just get too sticky and they don't work. So let's just chuck her in and hopefully fire her up. And the worst part is, like, I actually cleaned the carby. Like, I just gave it just to the top of the carby, just a bit of a clean up. And then I was like, oh yeah, fire her up, after I just gave her the clean up, and I thought, oh, hopefully she runs a bit better. And then go to crank her over, and it's like, oh no, because it hadn't been started for months. So yeah. But now I've actually just bought a carby rebuild kit, like the proper rare spares one. So I've also got to do that, and I've also got to do the EJ one as well, because the EJ one, like, it clears out momentarily. You can go for like fucking 20-minute drive and she's all good, and then next minute she just does it again. And I'm just starting to think, like, just instead of just cleaning it, I just got to replace like some of the really old buggered parts probably, and see how that goes. It's probably one of the plungers that is slightly not working as well or something, I don't know. That's same thing with this one here as well. Like, I cleaned it out and it might run better, but it might only be temporary as well, so I'll probably have to change that as well. So let's get into them. All right, she's back on. Back on. Chuck the battery in. See how she goes. Yeah, when it first happened, when the starter motor went, I was like, what could it be? Like, I was like thinking to myself that it has a brand new starter motor. There's not really much else it could be, like especially with these cars. And I was thinking, there's no way, man. I thought it was some like another electronic issue. I thought it was like a fuse here or a starter switch or something. I was like, oh, what the hell's going on here? All right, she's all in. Let's give it a go. Brake clean. Decent dose. I don't think she's in gear. Find out if she's in gear soon. Oh, she's firing up now. Starter motor's working. Well, she's cranking good anyway. Bit more will you start for me, please? Well, she's alive again. Starter motor's good. Turns out, don't wash your engine. Wash your engine, but maybe with like good parts, like some probably $200 starter motor, which you probably could have got off eBay for 120 from Auto Pro. No good. Don't trust him. Don't wash him. Yeah, unless you drive it all the time, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's get hot enough that it might get rid of the water before it starts corroding. But yeah, it's running good. Sounds pretty good. There is a crack in the manifold here somewhere as well, which yeah, either got to change something on the manifold or whether I even stay with this engine or not, don't know yet. Just give her a little, see how she goes. Oh, a little bit too much. Definitely, I think I'm gonna go ahead anyway with the carby rebuild anyway, because it's probably like gave it air then and no fuel went in, and yeah, problem with the carby. Got the rebuild kits, got two of them. The old kit carby for FJ, HJ, HR, LC, LX, all them, single throat. Oh well, might leave it there. Cheers for watching. Turns out with starter motors, these ones here, don't wash them. All right, thanks for watching. Catch up.